guys, welcome back to another video. As you see in the intro, I was taking off the chain to take off the front sprocket, and when I took off the chain, started twisting on the bolt to the front sprocket. Sprocket starts twisting. I say, why can't I get the bolt off? The sprocket's twisting. How am I going to stop the sprocket from turning where I can get this bolt off? Well, common sense tells you, leave the chain on the sprocket, twist the bolt, get the bolt off with the chain on. Sprocket ain't gonna go nowhere with the chain on. Hopefully not. With those teeth it might. Let's try to get this sprocket off right quick so we can throw the new one on. The new one, lined it up a few minutes ago, and it lines up perfectly. So the shaft should fit, should slide right in. So once we get the bolt off, get the old junk sprocket off. Got the chain back on. Now we're going to try and get the sprocket off. All I got, don't got a socket or anything to put on it. All the big sockets and stuff, they stay in old Gear's trucks in case. You might have to wait to get the socket to fit on the sprocket, or we might just be able to use a crescent wrench or adjustable wrench. Bad news, we're probably going to have to wait on the sprocket till later on today or maybe tomorrow or something, because got to get the right tools. Really ain't the right tool to get it off just having that and not having anybody to hold the bike, because when I start to twist, the bike starts to roll forward, and the only thing that's holding it up is that little triangle stand. So I need somebody here holding the bike where I can actually put some pressure to get that nut off that sprocket, because I'm sure that sprocket or that nut on the sprocket is super tight. Knowing how long that sprocket's probably been on the bike, probably ain't ever been changed. It's probably the stock sprocket that came on the bike. So I'm sure that that nut is locked on there tight. So we got to get the right tools for that and have somebody hold the bike where I can put all my weight and all my pressure into getting the bolt off and not have the bike fall over and fall on me. I gave it a little wash earlier after it stopped raining. The bike was popped up against that tree, pouring down rain, and I came out here after it stopped raining, washed the bike a little bit. You probably can tell, I know yesterday the pop and wheels and everything was, you can see red dirt. Now the wheels actually shine and the pop's black. You can actually see it now. So yeah, got that cleaned up. Probably want to get a pressure washer. Been looking at pressure washers, and they're pretty cheap. Got the stock silencer just chilling there. If you think I should do a giveaway on the stock silencer, it's just doing nothing but collecting dirt and dust. Clean it up, maybe sign it, get a marker or something that's permanent, that won't come off, and put my name right there. You can hang it up, or maybe even put it on an old bike that you would like to have this silencer. If you got like a bike that don't even have a silencer on it, maybe you could use this one. So if you think I should do a giveaway on that stock silencer for a 2004 Yz250, pretty much work on anything. Any like two-stroke, it should work on like 125, 250, because this right here, this Pro Circuit 304 silencer that I got on my bike, is to an RM250, which is Roostem X's RM250. If you're subscribed to his channel, then you know what I'm talking about. But that silencer came off of his 250, his RM250, almost the same year, 2003. And every bolt, or one bolt hole lines up, the other one don't line up so much. But as you can see in there, the one that's holding it is doing good. It's not shaking, don't wiggle. So it's mounted pretty good, just that one bolt hole. So yeah, if you guys want that silencer, like I said, it should bolt right up to whatever you got. Let me know in the comments.
Put the old gears on.
Old gear?
Word.
You ready now? Ready to help somebody? You like helping people?
Not really. But
come on, man. You can help high gear out, can't you? A little bit at least.
I always do, don't I? I always do.
He always helps me out. Hopefully we have that right socket. Hopefully it ain't the one that... Remember how we had to go borrow one from the shop?
Pretty sure it's
probably what it is, huh?
pretty sure.
Pretty sure, yeah.
Craftsman. Made in America. Working on a Jap bike. That's the biggest one I got. That's probably not it. So we rely on part 2.
Let's get the shot, get the shot.
It's not that.
Well, it might give it like a adjustable wrench.
Probably.
I can't do it by myself. I can't hold the bike and twist, you know what I mean?
That's all we got. What fits? That's gonna be 1 inch or some crap. Yeah, it's big as shit.
That ain't gonna work. Oh yeah, I ordered the trailer and everything the other day, so it should. Where's that stuff at? Foot on the brake. Foot on the brake. Please don't try to strip that bolt out, cause I'll put some marks in it with those pliers. Did you get it?
Nope. But we're closer than we were.
I thought it was spinning. Thing's tight, ain't it?
It's tight.
Probably the stock sprocket. I'd say it's the stock.
Probably.
I don't believe this thing's coming off with this wrench. The best thing I think it'd probably be easiest to take it off with is a socket, but we don't have the right socket. We had to buy or borrow the socket to take the forks off of my Yz250 when I did the build on it right here. So I'm pretty sure that's about the same size bolt as down there.
Oh hell no, that's bigger.
You think it's bigger?
Yeah, that's bigger.
Oh yeah, that's a lot bigger. So
We are effed in the honey hole. Sucks to be us right now.
yeah, and it won't, I can't even go. It goes pop, 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 pop. I guess I'm gonna be pop, 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 pop around all day, huh?
Probably, yeah. Which sorry to the Japanese designer that designed this son of a bitch. Please go kill yourself.
Hey man, demonetized. I guess that's the video. Us failing, trying to put the new sprocket on, but not having any success doing it. It's hard to do it, hard to change the sprocket, hard to do stuff without the right tools.
Nope. Forgot to get my gun out of the truck.
Your gun?
Mm-hmm.
Which gun? That nice revolver?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna show the fans your nice new gun?
My two-toy.
I'll buy a camera and you buy this. Woo!
We're both shooting something.
Yep, I'm shooting video, and what are you shooting over here?
Elephant's ass. Looks
Looks like it'll put one down.
It will blow a hole in an elephant's ass.
What's the grip or whatever?
Pearl handle.
It's nice.
Just a classic little boy dream I had because I always wanted to be a cowboy. So I bought me a...
Hey, I like it. There's gonna be a lot of people that
Don't like
that thing's clean.
Colt 45, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a toy. Don't play with it.
Shoot anyone anywhere with those. I don't think much chance of them living to hurt.
And if you shoot them in the right spot, just to hurt them.
The butt or legs or...
They'll live long enough to hurt right before they die. But hey, don't mess with us and you won't hurt.
And yeah, one-handed.
Probably not. Not till I learn. Not till I know how tight, how much it's gonna kick.
But yeah, guys, that was that. And like I said, tomorrow hopefully we can get the sprocket changed. And maybe tomorrow I'll also check the cylinder, check the piston, because I'm planning on doing a rebuild to this bike here soon. And the compression isn't getting low, but is weakening. I can tell a difference in compression when I first got the bike now. But I mean, I've had this bike for a while, put some hours on it, and I've ripped it pretty hard at Cape Park and stuff, and really put some hours on this bike. So it's going to need a rebuild here soon. So I plan on doing some research tonight, seeing what the exact bore size of this piston is. Like I said, the dude that I got it from before, the dude that, well, the second owner of this bike said that the first dude bored the bike over, didn't tell him when he sold it, and he made the mistake on buying the stock bore piston, or the stock piston for the bike. It wouldn't fit, it was too small. So he had a message to the dude that he bought it from, said, what's wrong? Why won't the stock piston work? Dude failed to tell him that the piston wasn't the right size, that he bored the bike over up to like a 289, I'm pretty sure is what the dude said. And yeah, I just need to take the piston, the head off tomorrow, or take the cylinder and the head off tomorrow, get the numbers that's on the piston. Hopefully they're still numbers and they're not wore off, so I can get the exact size of the piston so I know for sure what it is. And but yeah, tomorrow guys, stay tuned. Be doing that, taking the head and cylinder off. So if you ain't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, because YouTube ain't sending nobody updates unless you have notifications turned on. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.